Tesla has burst into the top 10 best-selling cars in the world with 2 different models. You can probably guess what they are. Of course, we're talking about Model Y, and we're talking about Model 3. Model Y is the best-selling of those 2. But what's significant here is we're talking about 10 best-selling cars, period, in the world, not electric cars, period, in the world. Now, this has been a long time coming, but it does showcase the demand for these things. Like, people really want this stuff, and the percentage growth compared to other players in that list is the shocking part. So Toyota Corolla, for example, is down 2% from last year. It still occupies the top spot at 1.12 million units. But that's not as hot as it has been previously. I mean, you know that the Corolla has been around forever, and it's been a hot seller forever. But if you just scroll down there with your eyes to the Model Y, they moved 759,000 units, putting it into 4th place, just below the F-Series Ford truck. Well, what? And that's up 88% versus last year. According to data compiled by Focus to Move electric vehicles, more specifically Tesla Model Y and 3, have entered the top 10 best-selling electric vehicles in the world.
Wow. The
Model 3 is not as significant. As you can see, it's only up 4% versus last year. They still did move enough units to put it in 7th spot, but the Y is what people are going crazy for. The Camry's also in this list. You have something like the CR-V, which is down 18% from the previous year at number 6. So if these things can continue this trajectory, you could see a future in which the Tesla Model Y is just the #1 car in the world.
If I was a car manufacturer, I would just look at Model Y and just make a model out of that. Just duplicate it.
Because you have all this evidence that that's what people want.
88% growth.
It's insane. On top of it, by revenue, the Model Y also takes the top spot. It averaged a sale price of over $55,000. Like, you look at the rest of that list. It's also expensive compared to that list. You have a lot of budget vehicles in there, and people are willing to go up in their price point because that's the unit they want. They want the Model Y. So, I mean, congrats to Tesla. And I can't say I'm surprised. Anecdotally, I'm out in the world, and those Model Ys, I can't get away from them. I have Model Ys in my dreams, my nightmares. I'm being chased down by Model Ys.
Yeah, there's something, eh?
They're everywhere. Everywhere, dude.